Hi guys, it is a rainy Sunday afternoon, so my husband has offered to make me soup and I'm so excited. Thought that it would be fun to take you along and show you how he makes it. It's the best soup ever. It's so good. He's been making it for me for years. It's one of my favorite soups. It's delicious, but it's even better when it's a rainy day. Isn't soup always better on a rainy day though? Oh, my bun. I don't know what's happening to my hair. It's also very humid and weird here. And I'm gonna make some lemon cookies. We're gonna sit back, relax, have some soup. So let's get started.
First thing I'm gonna do is boil a large pot of water. And while the water is coming to a boil, I like to add a few herbs and seasoning. Now it's time to add the chicken. Now I'm gonna let the chicken simmer in a low boil while I chop and dice up the vegetables. As the chicken is finishing up, I'm going to go ahead and saute a mixture of onion and leek until soft. Time to drop in the carrots. In go the potatoes, and next comes the corn. Now it's time for my secret ingredient, a whole bunch of cabbage.
At this point, our house smells so good. I love zucchini.
And there you have it, Bradley's world famous chicken soup.
You guys, I'm so excited to try this soup. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's like all of the ingredients just melt together. It's delicious. She got to try the soup too. Was it good? Did you like the soup? I feel like cookies are the best on Sunday night. These are lemon cookies. This kit comes with yellow sugar you sprinkle on top. It's so fun. I'm stuffed. I'm sitting next to a hot fire. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.